Hi guys, here we are on page 3 of the Fractions Unit 4 Part 3 Study Guide covering sections 4L through 4N. These are the word problems starting with number 17. Alright, first problem. Madison has a black and white dog and a striped kitten. The dog weighs 15 pounds. The striped kitten weighs 2/5 of, whenever you see that of, you want to think multiply, the weight of the dog. What is the weight of the kitten? Alright, so we know that the dog is 15 pounds and we know that the kitten is 2/5 of 15. So we're going to take that 15 and make it a 15 over 1. We're going to multiply by 2/5. See that I can simplify. 15 and 5 both divide by 5. And now we are ready to multiply. 3 times 2 is 6. 1 times 1 is 1. So our kitten weighs 6 pounds, which is 2/5 of 15. All right, Alan spends 7/8 of an hour on homework. 1/3 of the time is spent studying math. How much of the hour does Alan spend on math? So we know that he takes 1/3 of, means multiply, 7/8 on math. No places to simplify. 1 times 7 is 7. 3 times 8 is 24. So he spends 7/24 of an hour on math. Christopher rode his bike 10.5 miles in 1 week, which is 7 days. If he rode the same distance each day, how far did he ride each day? So we're going to take our 10.5 miles and we're going to divide that up by the 7 days. We're going to make that 7 over 1 and turn our mixed number into an improper fraction. 10 times 2 is 20, plus 1 is 21. So 21 halves. Keep that. Change the operation. Flip the second one. Look for places to simplify. Both of those divide by 7. 21 divided by 7 is 3. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Multiply across. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 divides into 3 once with 1 left over. So Alan rides 1.5 miles each day. Alrighty. Last one on this page. Adelaide wants to cut a ribbon into 4 pieces so she can share it with her friends. If the ribbon is 12 2/3 feet long, how long will each piece of the ribbon be? So we're going to take our 12 2/3 and we're going to divide it into four pieces. So 12 2/3 divided by 4. Make 4 over 1. Change our 12 2/3 into an improper fraction. 12 times 3 is 36. Plus 2 gives us 38 over 3. Keep the first fraction the same. Change the operation to multiplication. Flip the second fraction. 4 and 38 both divide by 2. 38 divided by 2 is 19. We get 19 times 1 is 19. 3 times 2 is 6. We've got an improper fraction there, so we're going to take our 19 and divide it by 6. 6 divides into 19 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract and I get 1 left over. So my whole number is 3. My leftovers is 1. My denominator is 6. So we can cut that 12 2/3 into 4 pieces. That will be 3 1/6 feet long. Alrighty. All right, come into the, open up the next video for the very last section here on this study guide.